Hello and thank you for watching today's unboxing and assembly video. In today's video, we're going to unbox and assemble the Ewheels model EW-72. I'm leaving the specifications here on the screen so you can go back to them at any time. This scooter is available in 3 different colors, and if you want to learn more, visit mobilitydirect.com. To get started, you will need something sharp to cut the pallet straps that are around the box and the tape so that you can remove the lid. You will need 2 people to unbox this. It may be possible with 1, but it's much easier to do with 2 people. Once you have the top part of the box removed completely, you're going to notice that the scooter comes plastic wrapped and it's tied down to a wooden pallet. This is so that the scooter remains safe while it's in transit. And what we're doing now is just removing all of the plastic wrap and getting ready to remove it from the wooden crate next. All you need to do is cut the straps that are going through the rims on all 4 wheels, and take your time to do that carefully with either a box cutter or a pair of scissors. You will also need to disengage the parking brakes so that you can roll the scooter off when you're ready to. Again, it helps to have 2 people. This is a very, very heavy scooter. The good thing is that it has a lot of ground clearance, and that allows you to wheel it right off of the wooden crate easily. Once you have it off of the wooden crate, just go ahead and open up the rear basket, fold the seat up so that you can open the basket. You're going to notice there is a piece of paper taped to the back of the seat, which is telling you you need to get into the cargo storage area, which requires the keys. So you'll need to unpackage everything that's in the basket. In one of those packages, you'll find the keys. You'll also find the charger and the mirrors as well. So go ahead and grab the keys so that you can open up the storage container underneath the seat and flip the switch on the circuit breaker, which is in the off position. So while it's being stored in the warehouse and shipped, the circuit breaker switch is off. You will need to put it in the on position before you can get any power from the batteries to the motor and the controller. So if you try to power it on with the keys before doing that, it's not going to turn on. That doesn't mean it's broken. It's just a shipping regulation issue that they have to adhere to when they send out these products. After you turn that switch on and you turn the keys in the ignition to the right slightly, you should see that the dash lights up and you have power to the unit. At this point, we're just unwrapping everything and getting it ready for installation. We're going to move the unit inside of the showroom to continue the rest of the video, as this scooter is very large and the box would not fit in the front door very easily. So when it arrived on the truck, we just kept it in the loading area and unboxed it out there. And we're taking our time now to get the mirrors installed. We'll show you how that's done. It's pretty straightforward. There is a little bolt, and it comes with a provided Allen key to tighten that bolt down. So once you have the mirrors installed, that's really the only assembly that's required. This scooter is very fast. It has a very high weight capacity. And again, you can visit our website, mobilitydirect.com, or click the link in the description below to learn more about it or to order it online. We do offer it for sale tax-free. Shipping is free as well, again, at mobilitydirect.com. Now that the scooter's inside, we're just showing you the Allen key and the bolt that goes through the mirror assembly, both on the left and the right side. There's a threaded hole and the post there with the spacer, which you want to just go ahead and fish through the hole on the base of each mirror and simply just tighten that screw with the Allen key. Make sure that you have your mirrors at the right angle and secure the bolts down, and that's all it takes. Next, we're going to show you that the key fob itself has a bunch of unique features. You'll want to read the user manual in its entirety to learn how to use all of the different features. We also have another video that you can click on at the end of this video or in the description below. It's going to show you how the remote control key fobs work. There's plenty of features on this scooter. There's a speed control knob, a digital dash, light switches, turn signals, a horn. We have brake lights. This scooter also has bumper guards on the back. It also has really high beam, really high intensity lights, powerful horn, big, huge tires that can allow you to go off-road, and has a great ground clearance for going on grass. Overall, this scooter is loaded with features, and we highly recommend it for someone that wants an outdoor recreational scooter. As you can see, it also comes with a USB charging port, which is very convenient if you need to charge your phone. The secondary key fob that we're showing you now is used for the Bluetooth radio. That's right, you can actually sync up your mobile device or any other device that has Bluetooth technology to stream audio, music, podcasts, whatever. The speaker system is pretty loud, but you can also actually install an external speaker system via USB. Here we're just showing you the braking system on the left and the right side. You have parking brakes, just like a motorcycle or any other kind of recreational scooter. It also has a reverse feature, which when you reverse, it will beep, which is going to alert people that you're backing up because it is a big scooter. Now, the newer model has not only the depth adjustment sliding forward and backward option for the seat, but it also rotates, which previous models did not offer. Another thing that we want to show you is that it comes with a seat belt free of charge because this is a high-speed scooter. So you'll want to make sure to take advantage of that seat belt for safety. The user manual there in the rear basket, which is included at no additional cost. Again, make sure you read the user manual in its entirety before operating the scooter. Now, aside from the seatbelt, we do have flip-up armrests, which you can adjust with that little roller on the bottom to set the lowest point, either high up or down low. The headrest is adjustable, and now we're just going to show you once more that with the key, there is a storage container under the seat, which gives you a lot of space to store stuff in. Now, the thing that's being pointed out now is the Bluetooth module. It does have a SD card port, so you can put music on it. And it also has a little connection for external speakers if you wanted to add them, which is great. All in all, we highly recommend this scooter. If you have any questions, be sure to give us a call and speak with one of our non-commissioned sales experts. We'd love to earn your business. Please be sure to like the video if you found it informative and you want to get notified when new ones come out just like it. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and enable notifications. Thank you again for watching this video. Have a great day.